Hello everyone. Today I Saksham Bhardwaj, class 9D, going to present a presentation on the topic disaster management. What is disaster management? Disaster management is the complete set of policies, procedure and practices that are undertaken before a disaster occur, when it occur and after it occur. What is a disaster? A disaster is a serious disruption of the functioning of a community or a society involving widespread human, material, economic, or environmental loss and impact which exceeds the ability of the affected community or society to cope using its own resources. Types of disasters. There are two types of disasters: natural disaster and man made disaster. Natural disasters, which are caused by or because of natural phenomena like geological or biological factors. Man made disasters, which occur due to human negligence like toxic waste, civil strife, etc. Natural disasters. What are natural disasters? Which are caused naturally are known as natural disasters. For example, cyclone, earthquake, tornado, volcanic eruption, tsunami, floods, droughts, landslides. Man-made disaster. What are man-made disaster? A man-made disaster is a disaster resulting from human intent, negligence or error. Man-made disaster can be both intentional and unintentional. It result in huge loss of life and property. It further affect a personal mental, physical and social well-being. Examples of man-made disaster: nuclear disaster, biological disaster, chemical disaster and epidemic. Nuclear disaster. Nuclear disasters are incidents that result in the release of radioactive material from a nuclear facility. They include both minor or major radiation release. Any nuclear explosion would have wide-ranging, long-term, catastrophic effect that could threaten the survival of humankind. Radioactive contamination would cause genetic mutation and cancer across many generations. Biological disasters. Biological disasters refer to calamity caused by the exposure of living organisms to germs and toxic substances. For instance, spread of disease, a virus, an epidemic, and a locust plague. Chemical disasters. Chemical disasters are caused by excessive use or misuse of chemicals in industries. The irresponsible handling of powerful chemicals can cause widespread devastation. Such events include explosions, leakage, or release of toxic hazardous materials that can cause people illness, injury, disability, or death. So, for a case study, we would like to tell you about Bhopal gas tragedy. What is a Bhopal gas tragedy? Bhopal gas tragedy was a gas leak incident in India, considered to be the world's worst industrial disaster. It occurred on the night of 2nd and 3rd December 1984 at the Union Carbide Indian Limited (UCIL) pesticide plant in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Over 5 lakh people were exposed to methyl isocyanate (MIC) gas and other chemicals. The toxic substance made its way into and around the shanty towns located near the plant. What is epidemic? An epidemic is a disease that spread rapidly among many people in a community at the same time. An epidemic occurs when an infectious disease spread rapidly to many people. So now I will going to tell about coronavirus. Yes, coronavirus. Everyone know about it. It is a Middle East respiratory syndrome, MERS, and severe acute respiratory syndrome (SARS) are the vital respiratory illness caused by coronavirus. Severe symptoms: kidney failure, high fever, 100.4 Fahrenheit or higher, pneumonia, transmission, cough or sneeze from infected person or touching contaminated object. Common symptoms: fever, a dry cough developed after 2 to 7 days, mild breathing difficulties at the outset, diarrhea, general body issues, gastrointestinal issues, and many more. So, the tips to reduce the risk of coronavirus, very important. Wash hand often. Use soap and water or an alcohol based hand rub. Cover your mouth and nose if you cough or sneeze with the inside of your elbow. Don't get close to anyone who has cold or flu like symptom. Go to the doctor if you have a fever, cough or feel that it is difficult to breathe. If you go to the market, don't touch animals or anything in the area that they stay. Thank you and have a nice day. And stay safe, stay healthy.